everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedra. It's New Music Friday. Now, J-Com creates social media buzz with Call My Name. No stranger to getting traction around his music, J-Com garners hundreds of TikTok videos from fans using the audio to his newly released single, Call My Name. J-Com's ability to smoothly fuse the sound of R&B and dancehall has earned him the title Chris Brown Prodigy. Now, the track follows his debut single, Tempted, which earned the young singer a spot on Barack Obama's Summer 2023 playlist. In this E-Prime exclusive, J-Com describes social media's reaction to the single as surprising.
I was just surprised at the feedback, at the support that I've been getting. You know, it was unexpected. I didn't expect it at all. So I just wanted to put out music.
And adds that being referred to as a Chris Brown prodigy is an honor.
I feel honored that people would think of me in that way, or would even reference him or put me in that category with him.
You lie again when I make you call my name. So call my name. Call my name. Call my name. I'm on my way.
Now, Spotify is set to introduce changes to its streaming royalty model in early 2024. The new changes will affect the lowest streaming acts, non-music noise tracks, and distributors and labels committing fraud. A new minimum yearly stream barrier for tracks to earn royalties and financial penalties for music distributors and labels when fraudulent conduct is uncovered. Now, a minimum playtime length for non-music noise tracks are among the changes. Spotify will require new agreements with most record labels and distributors to execute the modifications, although these revisions can be negotiated particularly for these aspects. The new conditions are expected to be accepted by major labels that negotiate agreement renewals with Spotify on separate timetables. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedra. Be safe.